Hey guys, welcome back. I tell you what, you know, it's still that time of the year, but we're inside and it's okay. We're gonna fire up the Emeril 360. We're gonna do some super easy, and I'm telling you, this is super easy, but delicious. Dr. Pepper barbecue chicken. We're gonna slow cook this in the 360 for roughly 2 or 3 hours and make some mouth-watering barbecue sandwiches later on, guys. Let's get going. Okay folks, I just got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Very simple. They're pretty good sized breasts. So I can't wait. I'm anticipating about 2 or 3 hours on this cook. I ain't sure. I'll check it at 2. Just got some salt, pepper, garlic, guys. Stuff I made myself. That's all we're gonna season this with. It's over and do it again. Okay, I got this is a little over a 4-quart Dutch oven I picked up online. One thing I encourage, I know some of you are watching this video because you have an Emeril 360. Be sure if you're searching for a Dutch oven to fit inside yours, be sure to measure. I have to turn this one on a slight angle to get it in. I do not have the 360 XL, mine's a smaller model, so it was an issue for me. So just a word of caution. Be sure to measure and note the sizes of your Dutch ovens. And I'm just going to spray the bottom of this with just a little olive oil, just to help with some sticking. We're just going to take our chicken, put her in there. Grab a bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce. I happen to be using the Sweet Baby Ray's, the hickory and brown sugar. This is a super easy recipe. I'm gonna get as much as I can out of this bottle. Our next and final ingredient is the 1 can of Dr. Pepper soda. Right on in there with it. How can this not be good? See if we can get a little bit more barbecue sauce out of that. Guys, that's it. Let's get this in the oven. Notice I have this on the lowest rack. Just enough room for this Dutch oven. Okay, I don't know how good you can see this. I went ahead and preset this up. I got it set on the low or slow cook setting, and I got it set to 275 degrees. And I got it set for 3 hours. I'm gonna check this at 2 hours. And I'm not gonna worry about preheating, we're just gonna turn it on and let her go. But I'll check this at 2 hours and see where we're at. Let's get this going. Okay, we're about 2 hours in here, and I'm gonna just pause this, and I'm gonna pull this out. Now I just wanna check the chicken. I have a feeling we're gonna go a little bit longer, but let's see what happens. Go ahead and take this out. Could be easier said than done. Alright, get this off here for a minute. Would you look at that? Looking good. I just want to stick my thermal pin in here. Guys, we're done. Yeah, we're gonna get this shredded up. I'll put it in a different container and we'll give this thing a taste test. Alright guys, let's get in here and just grab one of these. We'll just start pulling it. Look how easy that falls apart, guys. I'll do this to this other 2 chicken breast and I'll get right back to you. That is what I'm talking about. And this next step is quite easy. Come in here and get some of this barbecue sauce. Mix it on in here. Just give her a mix. All right, guys, let's eat. All right, guys, just got a regular hamburger bun here on this one. Just gonna load this bad boy up. Keep it simple tonight. Keep it simple. Throw a couple pickles on here. Top that bad boy. Come in here on the side with some coleslaw. Picked up at our local deli. Alright, I promised you quick and easy. Let's see how tasty it is. That's good every time. Good every time. Quick and simple. You can adjust your how much Dr. Pepper you put in it. That's all up to you. But guys, this is just super quick, super easy. If you're using the Emeril 360, just another way of cooking on this. So guys, thank you so much. God bless you guys, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye-bye.